Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the US dollar yen, I'm definitely still very bullish overall. I am definitely watching these two Fibonacci levels for areas of resistance, but until we get some sort of a significant push down, I am definitely only looking for longs on shorter time frames. Heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this is very clearly a 1-2. 3, 4, and it kind of looks like we're in like an extended wave 5, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and maybe a wave 5 of wave 5. I would definitely keep an eye on this 78% Fibonacci extension right around the 160 area. If it turns down there very significantly, then yes, I would definitely start looking for shorts. But I wouldn't put it past the yen pairs, especially with the way things have been going over the past 4 years, to make its way up to the 100% Fibonacci extension before it actually went down. Either way, we should be able to recognize it when it turns, and I definitely will look for continuation trend trades until it does turn down. I still think this is a wave 3. I still think this is a wave 4. If this is actually a 1 and a 2, then the 78% is likely not going to hold. Maybe it will bounce there, but I think that it's actually more likely if this is a 1, 2, and we're now in a wave 3, that it will actually make its way up to the 100% Fibonacci extension before it makes a bigger push to the downside. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I definitely would be looking for longs. I look at every single move to the downside as an opportunity to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. I would definitely be looking at this move down as another possible correction to the uptrend, especially when you're talking about the yen pairs. I am a buy only. I just am looking to buy every single pullback I see. I'm looking for 1, 2, 3 wave pullbacks. 1, 2, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves down to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. This right here possibly could be already an ABC correction, and if it is, it will most likely continue the uptrend, and it most likely will continue to make those higher highs, higher lows. Probably all part of a wave 5 on the monthly and weekly time frame. But like I said, my next area of resistance is right around the 160 area, and if it doesn't respect that, then my next area is actually quite a ways higher than that. And when you're talking about the yen pairs, the trend is definitely your friend. All you have to do is zoom out on the 4 hour daily time frame, and you can see why looking for longs at the end of every single pullback is such an important strategy as of right now. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.